Good morning, students. I hope you are well and taking good care of yourself. Here are some simple steps which we have to follow to stay safe against coronavirus. Let's have a look on those steps. So what you have to do, as we discussed yesterday, that you have to wash your hands frequently with good soap, alcohol-rich soap or antibacterial soap, and you have to stay maximum at your home. Avoid visiting public places like malls and parks. Stay at home with your family. It's good for you, for your friends, and for your family. And if you have to go out for some important purpose, then make sure to use your hand sanitizer, and you can make your own sanitizer. Just go to YouTube and write how to make sanitizer at home, and there are hundred of videos about that, so you can follow any of them and make your own sanitizers. And don't forget to send picture of your sanitizer to me. So today's session is about topic 12, reteaching. We are going to finish another topic, and today we will cover page number 749 to 752. So let's review what we have learned so far. So we have learned about inches, the short unit of length. Then we studied that how many inches makes 1 foot. Excellent, 12 inches makes 1 foot. And then we studied how many feet makes 1 yard. Very good. 3 feet makes 1 yard. And for inches and feet, we can use ruler or measuring tape. While for yards, we have to use a yardstick to measure yards. And then we studied about some metric units like centimeter. So quickly tell me, centimeter was smaller than inch or bigger than inch? Very good, it was smaller than inch. Then we studied about meters. So faster, you have to tell me how many centimeters makes 1 meter. Excellent, 100 centimeter make 1 meter. And then in yesterday's lesson, we discussed about compare lengths. We compare the lengths of different paths given to us by using addition and subtraction. Okay, so today's topic 12, question 1, you have to estimate the length of any two objects in your classroom or in your room. And here you have to write the name of the object, and here how many feet longer is it. So for question 1 and 2, you have to choose any two objects, write their names and write their length, and you have to measure in feet. Feet means more than 1 foot. So which tool you are going to use for question 1 and 2? Excellent. You are going to use a measuring tape. Very nice. Okay. Then question 3 and 4, find the objects like the ones shown. Choose a ruler to measure their length. So take your pencil or a marker or color pencil and measure it using your excellent ruler, and write here how many inches long is this, and then take your crayon or a short color pencil and write its length here. Okay, so next page, measure the object in inches and feet. Circle the unit. You need more. You need more. So here is the desk given in the picture. So you can choose your dining table or your study table, measure it inches and feet using the measuring tape, and write here about how many feet and about how many yard is it, and then you have to circle the more unit. I will give you a clue for this question. We studied that the smaller the unit, the more we are going to use. So among feet and yard, which one is smaller? Excellent, feet. So you are going to use more of, bravo, feet. Okay, then question 6 and 7, find the object like the ones shown, use a ruler to measure their lengths. Now this time you have to measure the lengths in centimeter. Just pick any objects like this from your study table or study desk and measure it, but this time you have to use the centimeter side of your ruler and write down the lengths of these objects on the blanks. Okay, then you have circle the picture of the object that is about each length or height. So about 1 centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter is very small. You can see on the ruler it is so small. So what do you think? Do you think a teddy bear is of 1 centimeter? Excellent. This pen is about 1 centimeter. Look at the purple mark given. You will measure it this way. And then question 9, you have to circle the object that is about 1 meter long. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Excellent. This belt is about 1 meter long. Then you have to measure the object in centimeters and meters. Circle the unit you need fewer of. Fewer means less. Here I have to give you a clue again that we studied. The bigger the unit, the fewer we will use. The bigger the unit, the fewer we will use that unit. So in centimeter and meter, which one is bigger? Excellent, meter. So you will use fewer meters, right? Okay, the last page, question 11. What's given? Use a centimeter ruler, measure each path, and then we have to write here. So to measure red path, first you will measure this part using your ruler, and then you will measure this part, okay, using the centimeter side of the ruler. Likewise, you will do for the blue path. First measure this part, and then you will measure this part, and then add the lengths to find the total length, and then you will see which one is longer by doing subtraction. Very good, and write it here that which path is longer, red or blue. Question 14. Measure the length of the bottom of this page in feet and in inches. So you have your book, just take out your ruler and just measure the length of your page. You will measure this way. Put your ruler like this on your book and write here it's about 1 foot or bigger or smaller, and write here how many inches wide or how many inches long is it. That's all for today's lesson, and keep practicing. Use your ruler to measure different objects, and your homework is assigned on Pearson online. So just log into your Pearson account to do your homework. I will see you in the next video with a new lesson. Till then, take care and stay safe.